Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tonie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my press-on nails. I get these from Walmart, but you can also get them from Sally's, and I believe you can order them on Amazon. I will check, and if I find a link I will leave it in the description below. These are the Gel Fantasy nails, and they're long. The length is long. So yeah, let's get started. So you are going to need a couple of things that doesn't come with this kit. So first, when you open it, it comes with the nails, different sizes. It comes with nail glue, and in my personal opinion, this nail glue is actually pretty good. And then you open it some more, and you have the option to put this adhesive on it if you don't want to use nail glue, but I don't like these because it leaves the nail bed bulky, and I don't know, I just don't think it's a good look. These are the rest of the nails, so you can find what matches. And then there are instructions on how to apply the nails, an orange stick or cuticle stick, and a file, an emery board. And I already brought my own nail file here. Some cotton balls, you can use cotton rounds, but this is what I have. And some acetone to dehydrate the nail before I apply the nails to it. I already went ahead and cut my fingernails down because the longer it is, the harder it is going to be to remove the press-ons. If your nail is too long, you end up risking taking them off and ripping your own nail. So I cut my nails down to a decent length. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to just lightly buff the nails. So just gently buff your nail like this. Buffing the nail because you need a sort of rough surface for the glue to adhere to. If the surface of the nail is too smooth or shiny, chances are your press-on will come off. It will pop right off. So after I've done that, I like to go in with the acetone and my cotton round and just wipe the nail off to remove any excess lotions or oils or whatever. So I just do that. And what you typically want to do beforehand is to figure out which one of the nails fit your fingers. So I'm going to start with my thumb and go for the largest one, which seems to be this one. And usually the numbers are written under here. I don't know if you can see, that says 0, and 0 is the biggest one. So I'm going to sort of shape my nail to match. So because it's an angled shape, I'm just going to file my nails inward like that using my nail file. So I'm just gonna file inward like this. Take the nail, I'm gonna match it up again, and I think that's a much better fit, right? So that would be for my thumb, and then I'm going to figure out what the rest of my nails would be. So now that I have all my nails lined up, I'm going to just gently push back this part here, my cuticles here. just gently, you don't want to hurt yourself. Just so the nail can sit properly. Your finger. Then I'm gonna take the glue and just open it like this. I usually keep one of the plastic parts just so, because the glue can get everywhere. Just so that it can catch any glue and keep it from damaging any surfaces. So I'm just gonna snip that off. And I'm going to get my first nail. And just make sure you double check the nail before you glue it on, because then it really wouldn't be pretty if it didn't match up, right? Just gonna turn it over. Just gonna put a little bit, not too much, glue on the nail like this, and then I like to spread it out like that. And then just turn it over and have it run down a bit, and then you're gonna try to put it on your nail. And the glue dries pretty quickly, so make sure it's where you want it to be, because once it's dried, then that's it. There's no moving it until you take them off. So I like to press it down to make sure I get rid of any air bubbles. So I just do like that. If you have any excess glue that came out the sides, you take this same cuticle stick here and just remove it and wipe it on a paper towel or something. Right? So this is the first nail. I'm going to go ahead and finish the others. I'm going to go ahead and do the other hand, and then I'll come back and do the finishing touches. Okay guys, so this is how I do my own nails at home using press-ons that I get from either Walmart or Sally's. And this is the kind that I use. I've seen other people use other types, but this one gets the closest to matching my nails. Obviously, like you saw, I had to like file them myself, but I think they came out pretty good. These are great for quick fixes. So let's say you have somewhere to go and you cannot make it to the nail salon, or the nail salon is booked and you really need to get your nails done. These are really good for that. They go pretty quickly in the stores though, so I often have a hard time finding them. So when I do find them, I pick up quite a few. But yeah, and they have different options in different styles and in different lengths. I wore the French ones for my wedding, so that's how pretty decent they are to me. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. As I said, I will see if I find an Amazon link, and I'll link it down below for you guys. If you have any video ideas, please let me know in the comments below, and of course guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.